Have you ever wondered how the delicate dance of power and politics plays out on the global stage? How the tumultuous tides of national governance can ripple out, affecting our international relations and even the very fabric of our planet's ecology? Today, we delve into these intricate webs, seeking to untangle the complex threads of our world's political and environmental ecosystems. Our journey begins at the heart of national governance, where power and responsibility intersect. Consider, for instance, the recent revelations about a former U.S. president's alleged attempts to overturn an election. A report by the Senate Judiciary Committee details 9 instances where the former president sought to undermine the electoral process, an act described as an abuse of power. This tale of political maneuvering and potential misconduct underscores the precarious balance of power within our national structures. Yet this dance doesn't end at the national borders. It extends into the realm of international relations, where countries engage in a delicate ballet of diplomacy and negotiation. The actions of one nation can have far-reaching implications, influencing bilateral relations and global groupings. From the United Nations to the World Trade Organization, the echoes of national governance reverberate, shaping the global political landscape. These ripples don't stop at politics. They touch every aspect of our lives, including the environment. The decisions made in the corridors of power can have profound impacts on our planet's biodiversity, pollution levels, and sustainability. The stewardship of our environment often falls into the hands of those in power, highlighting the critical role of governance in ecological conservation. And let's not forget the role of technology in this dance. Advances in areas like biotechnology and space exploration are often driven by national policies and international treaties. These technological leaps can in turn influence everything from our economy to our understanding of the universe. Speaking of economy, it's another arena where the interplay of national governance and international relations is keenly felt. Decisions made at the national level, whether they relate to infrastructure, banking, or labor, can send shockwaves through the global economy. These economic fluctuations underscore the interconnectedness of our world. In summary, the dance of power in politics is a complex one, stretching from the national stage to the international arena and impacting everything from our environment to our economy. National governance shapes our international relations, influences our technological progress, and plays a crucial role in the stewardship of our planet. It's a delicate dance, but one that we must all strive to understand, for it shapes the world in which we live.